guys, I am Muskan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. The best you that has ever existed. Doesn't that excite you? The possibility of creating your best self, your best physical body, your best financial situation, the best you have ever felt about your life, the most joy you have ever experienced. Of course, this is not a pie in the sky idea. All of us, including you, have that opportunity. You can create the best you in any and every area. You must decide. It is time. It has to be important to you. What area or areas do you work or experience pain? What area of your life is not a reflection of the standards you live by? What area makes you disappointed or ashamed? Think about the best you have ever been in that area. Now think about reaching a higher level. That is a decision. It will require work, but you can do it. It will be worth it. Get excited about your life. Get excited about who you could become. Do whatever it takes to achieve it. Earn it, and then enjoy that pride that comes with it. What if I told you every challenge you have ever faced was just an obstacle sent for you to develop the character, and that character, if developed, will lead you to your best life? What if I told you that those challenges were sent for you to become stronger? What if you knew those challenges, the hardest times in your life, were sent for you to discover who you really are? Would you face those challenges differently, knowing that they will make you stronger? They could also be a burden, a curse, way of destroying you. Unfair if you choose to see it that way. And if you knew they were all part of the plan, the reality is they are part of the plan. One perspective leads to a miserable life, and one leads to a life that can handle just about anything. Our perspective is fighting against life, also known as fighting against what it is, which is insanity. You can't change what happens, and you can't control the universe, but you can shift your perspective. Think back to every challenge you have ever faced. Think about the hardest challenges, the ones that really hurt. Did any of them lead you to something better? Maybe a nasty breakup that was so hard to go through but lead you to a better partner. Maybe you were fired or didn't get that job, but it led to a better one, or an idea that started your business. Maybe you were under immense financial pressure, so you had to find a way to make something happen, and you did. That builds character. No matter who you are, no matter what you did, no matter where you have come from, you can always change. Become a better version of yourself.